Mizoram Public Service Commission MPSC siamthat an phut avanga ninga chhung MPSC siamthat hnatlang MZP-in an neih hnuah Mizoram Sorkarin an phut anga MPSC Reform Committee din tur thu pe ka chhua avangin MPSC Pisa tur dan chu an ti tawpa MZP chuan Zirlai nazong mek te ta na Recruitment Process fel faizok kalpuyani theina tura Mizoram Sorkarin Committee adin chu lawmawm an ti thu soin Mizoram Sorkar hnena lawm thu an soi vawiin MZP tihchhuah Mizoram Sorkarin MZP-in an ngenna DP&AR changtu Chief Minister Zonet takin ngai poimo Reform Committee to review the Recruitment Framework and Process for Public Recruitment in the Government of Mizoram adin na order at chhua angin oga si som le patni sang ni som ni le parukhan MPSC siamthat hnatlang chu atitop veng hal ti soin he committee chairman in MZP le aspirant chu anlung oilo na zongjong le MPSC siamthat ngai te zika committee a thelu tura aso mangin thelu ani don ti soin chu an thelu point chang te chu he committee in thlani chhung zir chiangin recommendation asiam dona chung te po MZP chuan avil zui zel don ani anti MZP chuan he committee a hian beise na sang tak anei thu soin MZP po committee in amamona pianga chhua in pe ereng ti soin candidate hal sa to mek chung changa Chief Secretary in one time registration OTRB ka helpline siamani tur thu alo soi to chu lawmawm an ti thu an soya meeting a DP&AR Secretary na soi chhua ang ngeya applicants ten OTR harsat na an nei zonga chanpui ngei tur le candidate tu main harsat na an to zuilo kan beise an tibok
Mizo Zirlai Pawl chuan Zirlai nazong mek tetana recruitment process fel faizo kalpui ani theina tura Mizoram Sorkarin Committee adin chu lawmawm ati thu soin committee in azir chiana chu MZP chuan avil zui zel don ti asoi MZP chuan vawiin khan thu chhua siamin MPSC siamthat hnatlang ninga chhung an neih hnuah Mizoram Sorkar hnena MZP-in ngenna asiam te chu DP&AR changtu Chief Minister in ngai poimo Reform Committee din na order at chhua taga wangin August ni som patni sang ni som ni parukhan MPSC siamthat hnatlang chu atitop ti an soi committee chairman in MZP le aspirants te anlung oilo na zongjong le MPSC siamthat ngai anti tezia ka thelu tura asom angin thelu ani don ti MZP chuan an soya chungte chu committee hian thani chung zir chiangin recommendation at siam don ti an soya MZP chuan avil zui zel don ani anti bok Chief Secretary in one time registration bika helpline siam ani tur thu alo soi to chu lawmawm anti thu le DP&AR Secretary in an thut khom na an soi ang ngein applicants ten OTR harsat na an nei te chu chanpui an nia candidate tu ma in harsat na an to zuilo an beise thu an soi bok OTR chungchang MPSC in soifia na chu MZP chuan soifia sakin online portal 2.0 man chantira khan junior grade of MAH and VS candidate singa za asom kwapali 10 OTR document upload na aumlo awangin disqualified an ni thu an soya OTR document ngai zongjong upload na tur aumlo awangin candidate te thiam lawa an ngai lo ti soin OTR changtu tok lo wanga buaina ani awangin nol mai lawa endik tura kalpui sok tura an ngai ti an soi MZP chuan hetiang ang buaina hi MAH and VH chawni lo po atheng chhozel ni a soin technical problem awang le MPSC achanga instruction fill file omlo avanga candidate te tortir chu India dan pui article 14 equality before the law le article 16 equality of opportunity in matters of public employment palzut na lian taka an ngai ti an soyani mi puile social media mangtu tam takin mitlem te harsana awanga mitam tak torna thlen le mitlem te thiam lo awanga buaina siam anga MZP te an puna chu thil ani na tak shelawa chui pe lo wang le engma thubul bal shesi lawa soive mai wanga an ngai ti an soyani
Mizoram Sorkarin MPSC din munzir changtu tur MPSC Reform Committee adina an phut anga Sorkarin ma ala ka wangin MZP-in MPSC thoktu te pisakai turan dan chu antitop ve ngal MZP-in MPSC siamthat hnatlang ne thochan ni atang MPSC thoktu te pisakai tur an dan chu nimin thleng khan chun zomani a until phu chungchang hi nimin chanudar khat khan DP&AR Secretary le MPSC hotu tenen Chief Secretary Conference Room an soihova anin biak na hian DP&AR Secretary Pu Udit Prakash Rai chuan Zirlai Pawl te phut angin MPSC siamthaturin MPSC Reform Committee din ani tur thu asoya hemi chungchang Chief Minister hnena athlen to ti ashila MZP President Dr. Silarem Ruat chuan Mizoram Sorkarin an thuthlen ngai to a MPSC Reform Committee din tura anin buat sai chu lawmawm an ti thu asoya heti rualian Sorkarin MPSC Reform Committee adin tur chu order fel fai tak mu tur a ma chuan an malak na chu an top sandon lo ti asoi ve thunga Zirlai Pawl te du angin Sorkar chuan ni zan tir khan MPSC Reform Committee din ani ti shatir na order at chhua ka MZP-in MPSC siamthat hnatlang neih MPSC thoktu te pisakai tur andan mek chu an ti top ve ngalani Sorkarin MPSC Reform Committee adina hian DP&AR Secretary chu Chairman ani a DP&AR Joint Secretary chu Member Secretary atan ruat ni in member dang pangaruat an ni a committee chu thlani chhungin anzir chian na report Sorkara thelu turati ani MZP chuan MPSC buaina tam tak avanga siamthat hnatlang ninga chhung an neih hnuah Sorkarin MPSC din hmunzir changtu tur committee to review the Recruitment Framework and Process for Public Recruitment in the Government of Mizoram adin ta chulom omanti thu an soya committee chu MPSC buaina sang felfai taka chin fel ani theinan thei top chhua turin an ngenna committee in mamu na ane ani chuan atul anga chhua an in pe reng ti an soi